Every morning I used to feel one fear, the fear of speaking English. Every time when I pick up my mobile phone, I just think that I would watch videos but I couldn't speak. Why? I read so many books but still my mouth stayed silent. Why? My hands would shake before I speak. People laughed and I felt small. But one day everything changed and today I will tell you that story. One day I was talking in front of many people and I made a mistake. I was speaking in English. So when I made a mistake, everyone laughed at me. I felt so bad. Even my face turned red. मेरा फेस लाल हो गया था. मुझे बहुत ज़्यादा बुरा फील हुआ. And at that day or that day, I decided to myself that either I will speak so good English or I will leave English forever. या तो मैं बहुत अच्छे से इंग्लिश बोलूँगी या फिर मैं हमेशा के लिए इंग्लिश बोलना ही छोड़ दूँगी. That nobody can laugh at me again. So now I'm going to tell you about that story. Well, before this, I was scared of English and I always felt less confident just because of this language. So when I just started to learn English or when I just started to speak in English, I used to think or I used to translate in my mother tongue to English. So that's why it takes a lot of time to speak in English. And due to this, I used to feel that I'm not smart at all. Okay, I used to feel like this. So I was not less smart or I would say that मैं ना स्मार्ट होने वाले लोगों में नहीं आती थी. I just need और उस टाइम पर मुझे क्या चाहिए था? I just need right method to speak in English. And that night I stood in front of mirror. And I said to myself that I didn't know how to start, but I knew that I had to start. So I started to speak or I started to do shadowing, okay? So the next morning I made small changes. Small changes means I made some changes that changed everything. So here are 3 techniques which I used to improve my English. You don't need money, you don't need teacher, you just need 10 minutes, okay? Just invest your 10 minutes on these 3 techniques. Now the step number 1 or the technique number 1 is mirror talk. I stood in front of mirror. I described my day. मैंने अपने डे को इंग्लिश में डिस्क्राइब किया. Firstly I wake up at this time, then I took a bath or take a bath, then I helped my mother to make breakfast, then I get ready for my college and many other things, like whatever I do in my day, I describe that in English in front of mirror. This is how I do mirror talk. And apart from this, I also used to ask questions to myself. The main thing is nobody was watching me, so I was not scared. There was not any fear of judgment. Now method 2, phone language change. It means मैंने अपने फ़ोन की सारी लैंग्वेज इंग्लिश में कर दी. सॉरी फॉर द बैकग्राउंड नॉइज़, ओके. सो मैंने जब भी मैं अपना फ़ोन खोलती थी, कोई भी वर्ड देखती थी, कोई कीबोर्ड में कोई भी वर्ड टाइप करती थी, मुझे वहाँ पर सिर्फ इंग्लिश ही दिखाई देती थी. सो एवरी सिंगल डे, एवरी सिंगल मिनट, whenever I use my mobile phone, I see words in English and that helped me a lot to improve my English. Now method number 3 is small sentences first. It means मैंने long sentences को avoid किया और small sentences को prefer किया. It means कि मैं जब भी English बोलना चाहती थी बिगनर लेवल पर, तब मैं सबसे छोटे सेंटेंसेस को प्रेफरेंस देती थी. फॉर एग्जांपल, दिस इज़ माई बुक, दिस इज़ माई कप, आई पोर टी इन दिस. और अपार्ट फ्रॉम दिस और मैं क्या कह सकती हूँ, बहुत सिंपल सेंटेंसेस, दीज आर बुक्स, दोज आर बुक्स, these are my pens, or those are toys. So like this I started to make simple sentences for improving my English. Now mistakes are the part of learning, not a reason to quit. I'm learning these days. I am at the phase of learning, but I'm not saying that I'm fluent enough, but I can speak in English. So if I can change, why can't you? You can change too. So the main thing is you have to invest your time and you have to remove your hesitation and you have to gain confidence at your own. Then now these days the people who laughed at me at that day, now they ask me for the English tips, like how they can speak English just like me. I'm not saying that I'm fluent enough. I am also at the phase of learning. Still, I am a learner, but I have learned a lot and I can speak in English very well. As you can see, I am speaking in English in a good way. So if I can, why can't you? Why can't you speak English? So if your mind goes blank, don't worry. If you are translating words from your mother tongue to English, it's okay. But try to invest your time on English. This would be a better step as compared to making excuses. Because अगर excuses make करते रहोगे, बनाते रहोगे, then you are not going to learn. And if you are just waiting for the perfect day, now the perfect day is not going to come in your life. क्योंकि वो perfect day हमारी ज़िंदगी में कभी आता ही नहीं है. You don't have to wait for the perfect day. You have to make this day as a perfect day. आज का दिन ही आपके लिए परफेक्ट होना चाहिए, क्योंकि आज से ही स्टार्ट करो. Try to create environment around you, around yourself. Try to speak to your own self by doing mirror practice, by recording yourself in English, or by using these 3 techniques which I have told you in this video. So try to invest your time on good things as compared to watching or scrolling reels, because they are just wasting your time, or you are just wasting your time by just scrolling them. Now tell me in the comments, has it ever happened to you, or have people laughed at your English when you tried to speak in English? If it happened to you, then it's okay. And please write your story in the comments. I will make, or I will create a video on your comment, and I will also try to solve your problems, whatever you are facing when you are trying to speak in English. But please let me know in the comments, then I will be able to make a video or make a proper detailed video on your question. Thank you for today. And if you have learned something from this video, then don't forget to share it, subscribe my channel, and share it with your friends. Thank you.